Hi, I'm Mr. Franklin, and in this video series, we're going to talk about the atom, materials, and charge. This is for our unit about the atom, electricity, and magnetism for conceptual physics. So this is going to be a series of videos. I'm going to try to make a playlist for you. In the first video, we're going to talk about the atom, a brief history of its development and its discoveries and the ideas surrounding the atom, as well as different models that are out there. We're going to talk about specifically about the Bohr model because that's what we're going to use in class. It's also what you will use primarily in chemistry because it keeps the model simple and easy to understand and is fairly accurate in explaining how the atom works. Although the current model that physicists and chemists are using is called the Standard Model, and I will briefly touch on that, but we will talk mostly in the context of the Bohr model. We'll talk about the atom as a building block of other matter and what that means. It's primarily a chemistry idea, but it's important for you to kind of keep that in the back of your mind as we go forward. In the next video, we're going to talk about charge. The nature of charge, what is it? Because particles of the atom are charged. We'll talk about electric fields created by charge, and then we'll talk about static electricity. In the third video, we'll talk specifically about Coulomb's law. We'll talk about the law itself. We'll talk about looking for patterns in physics. So when we see something in one law that looks similar to another law, we start asking questions. And then we will look at the electric force and how it determines the properties of materials or matter and what that means for us.